좀 서정적인 노래인데 여러분들 많이 보고 싶었으니까 미스의 노래가 가지고 여러분들이 다 같이 따라 불러주실 거라 믿었는데 진짜 따라 불러주셔서 감동이었습니다.
First of all, I chose Miss You because it's kind of only the Western kind of music that I have, and I also miss you guys so much. That's why I chose the song. And for secondly, I chose only one because it's the title of the album that I have.
Oh. Were you guys happy? Your song choices, they're actually yearning, you know, they're always a little bit heartbroken. So we want to ask, are you
Patay heartbroken daw.
as well?
I'm really emotional.
The songs, right? We feel the emotions, the R&B and all of them. So we love you. Alright, so we reached out already. We said hi to the fellow Fridays. You know, many of you sent in your questions. Diba nag-post-it kayo? Tama ba? Alright, and with that, I think it's time for you sent out your
Uy, nasa unahan yung ganyan.
Wala kasi sila. And Sammy that will turn into the fellow genie, yeah? Mighty genie, and he will make all your dreams come true by answering your questions. So go ahead, pick your post-it of choice. Random or random? Which one?
Yeah, Dam, sabihin mo yung pangalan ko dyan.
Ay, masabi. Alright, he has chosen. Go ahead.
네, 넌 나의 방스틴 비버다. You're my 방스틴 비버. You're my 저스틴 비버 시절.
Alright, ay! So let's check out number one.
Yeah, Dam yung pangalan ko.
그러면 단순히
Can you draw me a tattoo?
Of course,
Next.
Ano ba sinabi ko doon? Mahal kita? Parang may pangalan pa nga ako doon eh.
Oh! Alright, sit. Oh!
Nahulog yun kayo. Ano daw sabi doon? Sound sa taas.
You. I give them the best gift ever.
Ah, wow.
If you can sing happy birthday. Okay, but you have to follow me. Let's be a singer now. Let's go. You can sing with me. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati.
ko na. Happy birthday to me. October pa birthday ko pero okay na. Tapos na solid na ako.
One more.
Pwede na.
Pinutungan
Pinutungan niyo sa akin. Nandun sa part na yun.
Oh, yun na, yun na.
Ledang Pogi!
It's in Korean. Go ahead. Please translate.
너랑 셀카 좀 찍었는데?
Can I take a selfie with you?
알렉스?
Papaalam pa, papaalam pa. Nakadun na sila.
So, wrapping up this video is Marco Marquez. It's his first night tonight. So, have you eaten anything more food? Just kidding.
졸리 먹어,
타요?
졸리.
Makikita kaya nila? O kasi baka nagre-reklamo pala yung sa taas. Chicken
Hindi ko naririnig na kayo.
Oh, he was happy. But anyway, what do we have next for all the
Walang speaker sa taas.
right now?
Wala ano.
네, 다음에는 저희 보시는 것처럼 피아노를 소개하는데 네, 제가 뉴에스의 헤이트라더비라는 노래랑 또 아이랜스의 맥메릭이라는 노래를 지금